up? It's Kat and Deb from Two More Girls. Welcome to a taste test video?
Yeah, except not like a product taste test, a restaurant taste test.
Two restaurants today.
Yeah, we decided to order from two different places, and like I'm so happy we did.
I think we made good choices.
Yeah, so we're at my house, which is in Hamilton. So we ordered from two Hamilton vegan places. We ordered from Rise Above Pizzeria. We got their Bang Bang broccoli pizza, and we got their seitan wings with maple garlic sauce. And then we also ordered from Hearty Hooligan, and we got their dill pickle loaded fries and their crunch wrap. I'm so excited. I don't even know what to start with.
I kind of want to start with the wing.
Yeah, let's go with the wing.
They're so dark.
I wonder what they coat them with. We got the sauce on the side because of delivery reasons.
I want it to stay crispy. Oh. Oh, I really like the sauce.
Me too. I also really like the wings, I think. They're nice.
They're like softer than some wings.
Yeah.
Texture-wise, but I think I'm into it.
I love how crunchy they are. I'm glad we got sauce on the side.
These would have got soggy really fast. There's a takeout tip for you. Yeah, I really like the coating.
Yeah. Ooh, that dip's really good too.
What is this dip?
I don't know. I think it just came with the wings.
Oh, or with the pizza.
Or with the pizza. Yeah, I don't know which one. But it's nice. It's like a
Garlic.
garlic.
Like a garlic dip, yeah.
Yeah. I like these. Yes. This feels kind of like a crispy beef or a crispy chicken you'd find in like Chinese dishes and stuff. It's got like that similar crispy coating on the outside.
I like it.
Would buy again.
And they actually had a lot of sauce choices.
A lot, like 6 or 7.
Spicy buffalo, sriracha lime sounded really good.
There was a bunch of others. I can't remember any of the other ones.
Sesame ginger maybe or something like that.
Yeah, something like
A
that.
buffalo one. I mean, I already said that. Barbecue one.
Buffalo.
Can you believe we didn't get buffalo?
I'm gonna try the fries now. The fries are just staring at me.
Love dill pickle. Hello. Hi. Ooh, these fries are like nice and thick. Give me the pickles.
That's nice. It's like lighter than I thought it would be, but I really like it.
Yes. Oh, I love pickles and dill.
Right? It's like one of the best combos.
Why is it so exciting?
Also, I do really like these fries a lot.
Fries can be tricky to order for takeout.
Especially
But-
a loaded fry.
I don't even care. When the toppings are this good.
Yes. A loaded fry, though, is so good.
Yeah.
When you get it right. I also like, who shreds pickle? It's so fun.
Talent. And look at the seasonings on the fries, too. Like,
Oh, I like it a lot.
they look really good. Love it.
I'm from Hearty Hooligan. The wings were from Rise Above.
Oh my gosh, I don't know. The wrap.
Okay. I cut it in half for us. We got crunch wrap from Hearty Hooligan.
It's heavy.
It is very heavy. They like pack in the faux meats and their stuff. Even like that pizza
The
pocket
pizza
we had last time
was
so much.
massive.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
I really like it. The only thing missing is the crunch. But like the flavor wise, it's delicious.
Is there something crunchy in it?
I don't know. I can't really tell. But I actually really like their crumble. I don't know what they use.
And the cheese and the sour cream that's in here is hitting real nice. Also, I'm impressed how hot it is still.
Yeah, it's really warm.
What the heck?
This is so good. I love this. It kind of just tastes like a flat burrito.
Yeah.
But it's really good.
Yeah. Doesn't have the crunch of a crunch wrap, but it tastes so good that I don't even care.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This on fries would be really good too.
Yeah.
I actually really like this.
Oh.
Wow.
And now we get to have pizza?
What a good day.
Okay. We got like crispy onions. We got bang bang broccoli.
Yeah.
We got grilled tofu.
Yeah. I can't remember what else was on there, but there was
Some kind
other
of
stuff,
cheese.
I think. Yeah.
And
Sesame seeds.
yep.
Oh my god, it looks really good.
Yeah. I don't even know what the sauce is.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I love that so much.
I was like smelling it before I tasted it and getting more and more excited.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Whoa. Fair amount of spice.
Yeah, decent amount of spice.
Pretty spicy. The flavor.
Holy, it's great.
What the heck?
It sounded really good on paper, but I was like, this could be one that I feel like sounds really good, but doesn't translate well to pizza. But oh my god, it's delicious.
Oh, it's so good. It feels kind of light. Right?
Because there's not too many toppings on it.
Oh, spicy.
It is spicy though,
Spicy.
yeah.
But the cheese is really good.
Oh my god, I love this.
Yes, would order again.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I want to eat for the rest of the day. This is happiness. What the heck? And you've ordered stuff from both these places before. Do you have other favorites?
Honestly, I think this is my favorite pizza I've had from them.
Whoa.
We usually get the like Steel Town and the like there's a pineapple one because Hutch likes pineapple on his pizza. Both really, really good. I like this better though.
Oh. Okay, nice.
I ordered from Hearty Hooligan a lot. Their chicken Caesar wraps are delicious. I love their chicken Caesar wraps. And their pizza pockets, we've had ones before, also really good. They're huge though.
Massive. So much pepperoni.
And I do really like their fries. Like, I've never had their loaded fries before, and I really like this. But just their plain fries, too, are actually really good.
I believe it. Wow.
Okay, what's your favorite thing here?
Oh, man.
I did finish this entire slice of pizza, so it's really hard to pick. But I think the pizza's my favorite. I think I just got the most surprised by the pizza.
That's fair. It's the most different from anything we've ever tried. Oh, even the crust is really good.
Yeah, they do a good crust. Oh my god, everything is so good.
It might be the pizza too, but honestly, everything is so good.
Yeah, would order everything again.
Wow.
And actually, I wish there was crunch in the Crunch Wrap, but the flavor is incredible.
Yeah. If you're in or around Hamilton, highly suggest trying these if you can. And if you have, tell us your favorite things there. And if you have other restaurants, if you enjoyed this, and you have other restaurants you want us to review.
Yeah, there's a good number in Hamilton, and there's a ton in Toronto too. So if there's Toronto ones as well, we'd be down to eat for you.
Yeah, it's been a while since we did restaurant reviews.
Last time I think was like King's, wasn't it, or Hogtown, which was like years ago.
That was so long ago. I feel like their food is different now.
Yeah,
very good. Share this with somebody who might want to order some takeout tonight. Support local businesses.
Yes, support local vegan businesses.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, both these places are entirely vegan. So you can order anything on the menu if you're vegan. Subscribe, comment, like, share. And if you're a patron, we're going to keep eating this stuff on Patreon. We're going to talk.
And we've got other stuff to eat and tell you about too. That's in a different video.
Yeah.
It's special.
It's special.
Basically, it's dessert.
Yeah. Lots of dessert too.
So.
We had a good day, is what we're saying.
Ooh. Thank you. I love good food.
It's so good. So nice. But I'm like almost already full, which is disappointing.
I know.
And I don't know why.
Okay, probably just take lots of breaks.
Yeah, we gotta go back to our other video.
Yep.
Finish up that stuff, take some photos of some baked goods.
Yep.
And then we'll come back
after
you finish that video.
Yeah.
And have some early dinner.
Yes.
And talk to you guys if you're on Patreon.
Okay, bye.
Bye!